try it?
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yes.
You wanna try it?
Yes.
Oh my. Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some African salad, tapioca, abacha, agwarago, the Nigerian style. So here are the ingredients. This is our abacha. This abacha came from Nigeria, from a soul sister. I'm so grateful. So it is all dried up. You know how it looks when it is dried. We are going to be adding hot water right now so that we can soften it out a little bit, and later on we sieve it. And we have our onions, our crayfish, pepper, red oil, of course fish for protein, and this is ubaka. I don't even know what it's called in English, but it is ubaka. Very proteinous and delicious. Like, you can't eat abacha without ubaka now. So it's very, very important ingredient. Then we'll be using this thing, potash water. I've shared this in my video when I was cooking ukwa. So we're gonna be getting potash water out of this. We use it to make the sauce with oil so that it can give us that creamy texture. Okay, now we are gonna be starting by pouring hot water into our abacha. Of this abacha will do my family. Oh, maybe I'm just gonna add more. So we'll leave it like this for some minutes to make it softer, and we'll strain it out. You are not going to make it to be so soft now. You will be checking the consistency. Okay, not too soft, not too hard. So this our green vegetable. I saw this vegetable from an African store. It looks like our regular abubofe. You know abubofe? You can eat this like that. So delicious. It tasted, I didn't even know. The first that I saw this, I didn't know it was. I thought it was abubofe. I tasted it in the store and exactly like abubofe. I went home with it. I googled it. But the real name of this vegetable is, what is it called? Turnip greens. Yeah, turnip greens. You can eat this vegetable like this. So it's gonna be our vegetable with this abacha. Now we'll go ahead and chop and prepare all of these things and fry our fish and chop the onions as we are waiting for our abacha to get softer. Yeah. Okay. Look, guys. Already. Guys, this is our potash. This is how it's been prepared. Add some water and leave it for some time, then strain it out. Another option you can use is akamu, the potassium. A lot of people like using this because the akamu upsets their tummy. So the first thing we're adding is the oil. Add enough quantity depending on the amount of your cassava. Okay, then you pour our ungu, the potash, start turning it as it turns orange and creamy. Guys, this is magical. Our food is not only delicious, but it is also magical. Just take a look at that. Yeah, at this point start adding other ingredients, the onion, some pepper, the crayfish, some dry pepper, a little bit, not too much depending. And this is otaze. Oh, the bitterness of this otaze helps it. Add your Abacha or even see. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to taste, then some seasoning cubes. Also add your ehuru. Ehuru powder is very flavorful in this dish. Oh, it gives it tons of amazing flavors all combined together. Now it's time to add our tapioca, our cassava. Then you start mixing everything up together. Mix up. Okay, now we can put it under the stove for like 2 minutes to shimmer a little bit. All this while we'll be mixing it. We don't involve heat because the heat will destroy the consistency of your abacha. It will turn into water. It's not going to be creamy anymore. So now we can cover it up and leave it on a low heat for like 2 minutes to just shimmer a little bit. And our abacha is done. Dish out your delicious abacha. It is all ready. It is all set. This superfood is very important in Nigeria. Apart from cooking it at home and enjoying it with your family, it is being served in other important traditional occasions like traditional marriage, ibanku, iwaji, or other traditional setting. It is well respected. It's a superfood, guys. Yeah, just take a look at that. So beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked this big video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post my videos. It is very important. Not just subscribing, but you got to turn that notification bell or get notified whenever I post my videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yes.
You wanna try it?
Yes.
Okay.